Welcome to Lion Bytes Google Classroom. Quick practical help guides for Mountain View families. Each video focuses on one skill to help you monitor assignments, feedback, and overall progress in Google Classroom. This video will focus on how to use the calendar in Google Classroom. Click on the hamburger button in the top left corner of the screen. Click Calendar in the left panel. Here you will see the assignments for the week. You can click on an assignment to get more details. To look at previous weeks or upcoming weeks, please use the arrows located next to the date range at the top. The calendar allows you to view all assignments by due date, click directly into an assignment, see upcoming deadlines, identify busy weeks in advance. This helps eliminate the "I didn't know it was due" problem. When using the calendar, ask, "What's due this week? Which assignment will take the most time? What's your plan to finish this before it's due?" What to do. Break larger assignments into smaller steps. Schedule work time before the due date. Check back midweek. Thank you for watching Lion Bytes, using the calendar in Google Classroom.